Spill my tea.
If you fly the drone whilst I'm driving, that'd be pretty good, wouldn't it?
But I'm a little bit worried about doing that. What if I crash the drone?
Well, you just got to fly it while sitting. I'll go drive really slow.
We can try, I guess. Don't blame me if I crash the drone.
Yeah, we've had the same drone for 3 years. I mean, I've crashed it. We've crashed it, but we haven't lost. At least we haven't lost 13 drones.
Yeah. Imagine losing 13 drones.
Now, we've all lost drones. Maybe we haven't. I have.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
You got it, Ray? Right.
Nice bit of flying there, mate.
Thanks, man.
Let's do it.
Lately, everything's trembling.
Yeah, boy.
All my shelters are opening. Feels like everything's crumbling. All the windows are...
Today is a workshop day.
Morning.
We've been collecting all parts and frames and stuff. We're now on the way to the workshop. We're going to start building a secret bike for season 3. You're not allowed to see any of it. It's all secret. It's very secret. And we're going to be vlogging the day, so we'll see how we get on, I think.
Hold your horses, it's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing. Dip your sadness in this bowl till you feel minor changes in your body.
Dad,
Son.
I remembered your birthday present.
Oh! Oh, fucking hello.
I got it from Neil himself.
Neil Spalding?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hello, Neil.
You alright, mate?
Yeah. Cleaning, ain't I? Cleaning the swing arm. Cleaning the swing arm for... What episode is this going to be?
3.
Season 3, episode 3?
Something like that.
This is it? So basically what we do is, the start of every season, we'll try and get 2 bikes built before we release episode 1. So that way we're ahead of it.
What's up, Dad? He's cleaning.
So this is the second bike, the first bike being the TT Racer, the second bike being Secret. Well, it's a single-sided swing arm, you know that much. We should do a tribute video to this van, because it is absolute nuts.
It is.
This is Posh. He's one of our security and possibly our #1 fan on YouTube. Look at him telling Dad what to do.
Posh?
Hello.
I've got a question for you.
Posh. Yeah.
Why is your name Posh?
Sebby's old man, when I had a shop.
Lovely. Well, that's me signing off.
Sebby's old man. Phoned up one day. I answered the phone as you do. And he was like, bloody hell, who's that? I says, me. He said, God, you sound posh. And it just kind of stuck.
Is that it? Wow. Pretty uneventful.
Really uneventful. Simple as that.
You do have a phone voice, to be fair.
Yeah, we all do.
Good afternoon, Incarnate.
So how can I help you?
Was that you?
Yeah, that was me.
Did that come out of you?
I did. Yeah, this rough lump of turds.
The things that made your stomach turn today.
get a nice cup of tea.
Hold your horses, it's too cold to
doing,
read. Face
Muck off, innit?
expressions that
There
mean
are other brands
nothing.
available.
Better muck off or fuck it.
Your sadness
So to play video games like a loser and plan videos with Sam while he edits them. Because he's a beast at editing, he's badass. And the way he puts videos together is just incredible. I love it, it's amazing. What a dude. And he builds bikes with me. It's like the best thing that's ever happened. It's incredible, love it. But I want to do this vlog thing because I've been watching another guy on YouTube. He hasn't got loads of subscribers. He's got a lot more than us, but he's massively inspiring, and I can really relate to him as well. Like, he struggles with depression, and so do I. Always have. Shit hasn't been so great for me recently. No, I'm good. But yeah, this guy's really inspiring, so I really want to do this vlog thing. Hopefully we can reach out to this dude and maybe we can build a bike for him or something, 'cause I know he's into Harleys, which is really cool. So are we, obviously. Yeah, so I'm going to try real hard and do this vlog thing. Hopefully you guys like it.
The drone's in the water. What do you do?